Hey everyone, it's Lucia here. How are you all doing today? I want to share something that could be a total game changer for both your gut and skin health. If you're looking for a natural way to get a glowing complexion and support better digestion, this is going to be perfect for you. Let me introduce you to Prime Biome, a powerful probiotic formula that helps nourish your skin from the inside out. You see, as we get older, our skin's natural renewal process slows down, which leads to dullness, rough texture, and uneven tone. But Prime Biome is here to help. It supports skin cell turnover so your skin looks fresher, more youthful, and naturally radiant. And that's just the beginning. Prime Biome also supports gut health by promoting the growth of healthy bacteria in your digestive system. A healthy gut means better digestion, a stronger metabolism, and more balanced weight management. That's right. By taking care of your gut, you're helping your whole body, including your skin. So, what makes Prime Biome so effective? Each tasty gummy contains a carefully selected blend of natural ingredients, including babchi, known for its benefits to skin clarity fennel, to support digestion and reduce bloating dandelion, for liver and gut health bagolins, helps cellular renewal inulin, a powerful prebiotic fiber fenugreek, supports metabolism and hormonal balance. These ingredients work together to support clear skin, smoother digestion, and balanced wellness, all in one simple gummy. And yes, Prime Biome is non-GMO, free of stimulants, and made for everyday use. Just take one gummy a day and you're all set. It fits easily into any routine. Now, here's something exciting. When you order 6 bottles today, you'll get 2 free bonuses to help maximize your results. It's the perfect way to invest in your long term health while saving money. But don't forget, Prime Biome is only available through the official website. That's the only place where you'll get the authentic formula, full benefits, and guarantee. You'll find the official link in the description below, so make sure to check it out and secure your supply while it's still in stock. If you're ready to support clear skin, a happy gut, and feel better from the inside out, give Prime Biome a try. I truly can't wait for you to experience the transformation. Thanks so much for watching. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you next time. Bye.